Struggling with dry hair? Join me as I moisturize my braids back to life. I just washed my hair, my braids that is, and now I want us to just moisturize my hair. Very simple. I'll just apply the cream because my hair is still a bit wet, and then we'll do the oil. Basically, that's it. Nothing much. Okay? So please follow me as I do this. It's a bit dry. And I was washing these braids because I had put some vinegar on them. And so you can see how they look right now and how they were looking prior to the wash is not the same. They look a little bit not as cute, I'll say, as they were, but this is more healthier having braids dipped into the vinegar. So this is why we are now doing this. We start with our Garnier. It's a moisturizing leave-in cream. I like to use it because it's pretty nice for my hair. So we are starting using this. I like the applicator. So we just use concentrate. This cream that you're applying will concentrate on the bottom part, not everywhere. It really smells so nice. My hair feels super soft. Super soft. This is why I like using this cream. It makes my hair feel so soft. And remember, there is water on my hair, so it is even making the process feel so much softer. The oils, we can apply that systematically because I don't think it's like the cream. This one you might mess yourself up. So this is how it looks after we've oiled it. It looks as if it's not 1 week old, and it is 1 week old, guys. I'm linking the photo for the previous one here, but this is better. You'd rather have non-clogged pores and moisturized hair than have hair that's looking perfect and it's very dry. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you're subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so, so that you can watch more videos like this. And make sure that you're commenting, you're sharing, you're subscribing. Tell me on the comment section, what do you think about this? Again, what do you think about the whole thing about the braids having chemicals? Just tell me, what do you think? All right, see you. Bye bye.